Relax. What is wrong with you right now?
I need to go.
You can't leave. You are not leaving right now.
Put her into handcuffs. What are you doing? Quit playing around.
Put your arms behind your back.
And I will stand by you forever. What's up, guys? Squink here, former cop, future dog walker, here to break down today's video. Once again, using my law enforcement background, I aim to answer the one question that everyone wants to know. And that question is, what the hell are the cops doing? Here we go. Let's jump in. Today's video comes from Bodycam Files. It is titled, Career Shoplifter Tries Running Away Again. Alright, here we go. Never seen it.
On May 2nd, 2023, police received a call from a Winn-Dixie about a shoplifting in progress.
Winn-Dixie.
They weren't expecting what was about to happen when they approached the suspect.
You guys ever read the book Because of Winn-Dixie about the dog? It'll tug at your heartstrings, I promise you that.
You have a receipt for it? Did you buy this?
No, I'm sorry.
Don't leave. Come back here. Don't leave. Come back.
There's
Ma'am,
your
come here.
admission of guilt right there.
Ma'am, come here. Stop. Don't run.
The slowest run ever. This is the run she just did. You ready? That was the run. I just had to do it for visual aid purposes. All right, here we go.
Please let me go.
No, you can't leave. You just got caught stealing. Come back here. You're detained right now. You cannot leave.
And you admitted to it.
Stay right here. Go to the sidewalk.
So the first thing he's got to do is read her Miranda rights, because she is now detained. She is not free to go, and she admitted to it. So if he wants anything she says to be admissible in court, he's got to read her Miranda rights. Ma'am, you gotta stop.
Signal 30 at Winn-Dixie. Ma'am, don't leave. Where are you going?
You're not. Stop touching me.
You're detained right now.
Stop touching
You are
me.
Yeah,
detained.
just put her in handcuffs, bro.
You have to stay right here. You're not allowed to leave.
Okay, let me go.
Stay right here. You know,
With the amount of times she's walked away, he needs to just put her in handcuffs right now.
can I get a routine 94?
Ma'am, I know what you're
Stay right
doing.
here. Where are you going? Stand right here.
10-4, is there unit restrict 1?
Ma'am, you need to stay right here. What? Do you have an ID on you?
611, 51.
Stay right here. Do not leave.
10-4.
Ma'am, what are you doing? What are you doing right now? You need to
Stop.
stay right here. Hey, here, grab her arm. Ma'am, relax. What is wrong with you right now?
I need to go.
You can't leave. You are not leaving right now.
Put her into handcuffs. What are you doing? Quit playing around.
Put your arms behind your back.
I'm not gonna try to leave.
No, it's too late.
That's literally what you're doing right now.
Put your arm behind your back, man. Six of one detained.
Number 1 detained at 1856.
Can I stand up, please?
You gotta hold on 1 second.
He's double locking the cuffs so they don't clamp down on her harder.
Come on, stand up.
I'm trying to get a good look at what she stole. Detergent. What are those?
Pretty much. Where's your ID? You don't have one?
What is she?
You don't have one in your purse? have another unit come by. Can you have the manager come up?
Yeah, I got you. You want me to take this in or leave it right here?
You can leave right here till he comes out and decides what he wants to do. Can you tell me what happened? Why would you need stuff?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I'm just trying to get stuff for my family. I'm sorry, and I don't want to go to jail. That's the last thing I need right now.
Why are you trying to run from me? I tell you not to move. Why'd I have to grab you? I don't want. Do you think I want to do this?
No, I don't. I'm
I understand you're scared, but you cannot run from the law enforcement when they're stopping you. You escalated this. I didn't have to put cuffs on you. I just have her detained right now.
Just looking for her on camera, actually.
So you want to like get the prices of everything that she's taking, or?
Do it right now.
Do you have anything in your purse that you took also?
No, I mean, I don't know. Is there any way I could just be trespassed or something?
We'll find out when the other officer gets here.
Ma'am, no, because the title is that you tried running away again, which means you've done this before, so no. She's just gazing into the sunset.
Can we go inside?
Go for it. We're just gonna wait out here for a moment. Yeah, you know, let's go inside.
Yeah, ma'am, even these children purchase their groceries. Like, what is your excuse? These children that are alone purchase their own groceries.
Where do you want to hold her at? You want to take her inside the manager's office?
Yeah, we can.
This manager's like, this is the worst day. Like, someone's stealing. I'm cleaning this throw up. I'm just assuming someone threw up right there, because that would be the cherry on top.
The boy.
What's up?
She was waiting for her ride. Her getaway car was actually parked in the front parking spot in that handicap place.
You got it on camera?
Yeah.
You got a tag on there, or whatever? Even if you don't have one.
I'm gonna try to get a tag for you now. Like
1439 from last night.
I do got I think I got a plate for you.
All right.
What is she hiding right there is my question. There seems to be merchandise there.
Alright, you're good to go.
Just make sure I'm back here.
Lame joke, excuse me.
So with your bags and stuff. Yeah, I know. Alright, go ahead. There you go.
Thanks a lot.
Yep. You need anything else?
So lots of jurisdictions require a female officer to do an invasive search. Not invasive, but like a touching a search is what I'm trying to say. So
To put in your CRA and everything?
I figured I'm gonna go to the station to get with Sergeant because of the probation.
Okay.
So he's gonna explain it to me. But
why is her face a black box?
So I'm not that out of charge.
Yeah.
I leave to
Oh,
grab
she
her,
tried to flee you.
and she was resisting.
Well, at least, you witnessed.
While researching this arrest, we found that Samantha has a long arrest record in Hillsborough County, Florida, dating back to 2021. On April 29th, 2021, she was arrested for petty theft first degree, failure to appear
Petite theft.
for driving under the influence with property damage or personal injury. Roughly 4 months later, she was arrested for failure to appear for DUI, possession of a controlled substance, and possession of cannabis less than 20 grams. A month later, she was brought in again for failure to appear for a DUI. 7 months later, she was arrested once more for failure to appear for a
And let me guess, we keep letting her out on bond even though she's got multiple failure to appears?
DUI. A month after that, she was arrested again after a traffic stop for contempt of court for failure to appear, possession of a controlled substance, driving while license revoked habitual offender. 5 months after, she was arrested again for violation of probation for possession of a controlled substance. 7 months later, she was arrested for the...
Yeah, let's just give her probation even though she keeps fucking up. She's going to definitely learn her lesson from inside the confines of her own cushy home.
Winn-Dixie incident you just watched, where she was charged with felony petty theft, resisting an officer without violence, and violation of probation for possession of a controlled substance. Around 11 months after, she was once again arrested, this time for felony petty theft, resisting arrest or detention in retail theft, battery, and grand theft 3rd degree. 1 month after that, she was arrested again for felony petty theft on May 1st, 2024. Finally, she was arrested again on July 17th, 2024 for grand theft 3rd degree,
Oh my
failure to
God.
appear for retail theft or coordinated retail theft, failure to appear for resisting arrest or detention in retail theft, and failure to appear for felony theft.
Right. So here's the deal, guys. Like, I know some of you are like, rehabilitate them. That's kind of what probation is, things like that. Probation makes you follow a certain set of rules and makes you attend some classes sometimes to hopefully rehabilitate you into not doing shit like that again. That apparently doesn't work for her, and it doesn't work for a lot of people. Some people do require being put into jail, sometimes even prison, in order to learn their lesson. That's why you can't just get rid of the police and expect everything to go smoothly, because lots of people will take advantage of that and take advantage of those programs and never learn their lesson. Meanwhile, the people that have jobs, are contributing members of society, are doing their damnedest to make ends meet, whereas people like that are just given multiple get out of jail free cards and are pretty much just allowed to steal with no repercussions. But she paid a bond. Right, but she keeps doing it. She's not going to learn. Send her to jail. It's that simple. She's got to learn sometime. She's not learning from probation. She's not learning from these court. She's failing to appear to multiple court dates. She is proven to be unwilling to abide by what the justice system is asking her to do. So she needs to go to prison. Can't just steal shit and expect to get away with it. Like, that's just not how it works. The cops did a fantastic job. I give them an A+, perfect score. I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video.